Warning!
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we talk about safety officer duties and responsibilities. Before we going to discuss about responsibilities, let us see some of the duties of safety officer, like implementation of company safety procedure to prevent accidents and loss, SOP, PDW, MS and MOC, PSSR, etc. And identification of hazards and take necessary action to rectify them. Like HIRA, hazard identification and risk assessment, and JHA, job hazard analysis, and last one is EIA, environment impact assessment. Investigation and analysis of accidents and incidents and reporting to higher authority, like incident, near misses, and reportable incidents, and lost time incidents, and first aid incidents, and loss of primary contents. Like carry out inspections and audits in a regular basis to ensure safe working, like external audits, internal audits, and weekly walkthrough and equipments inspections. And conduct various safety training and safety induction to the workforce mobilized to the site, toolbox talks and job specific training and product specific training, PPE donning procedure, and safety awareness trainings. Like conduct and organize various safety promotional activities, mock drills, safety committee meetings, and National Safety Day, Fire Safety Day, Environment Day, and safety competitions. Important ones, documentation to all safety related activities like incident records, MSDS, material safety data sheets, and mock drill records, and PTW documents, legal registers, and IMS documents, and safety checklist. Ensure that approved PPE used by all employees like head protection, hand protection, foot protection, fall protection, and respiratory protection. It is most important for every safety officer to know his responsibilities. For easily understand the responsibilities of safety officer, follow these three basic rules. 1. Common knowledge, industry knowledge, and expert knowledge. Let us discuss about these three rules with examples to understand and gain knowledge about safety officer responsibilities. I promise, if you are able to understand these three rules, then it is very easy to understand your role in HSC management. And the common knowledge is first. What is common knowledge and why is important? It is totally depends upon work situations. Like a person is working on roof without any safety precautions and he is alone. A person is working on roof without permissions and without safety belt, and most important he is alone. Yes, it is work at height, and just think common knowledge what possibilities is there. Chances of falling, right? If he fell down, then consequences are serious head injuries, backbone fracture, leg injuries, and maybe fatal or death. Think once again, if any of these incidents happen at workplace, nobody there to help him because he is alone. So the condition is very dangerous or critical conditions, right? Then what is your action? If you find out that the situation works out how to think with common knowledge that if he continues to work with these existing unsafe conditions, there is chance of fall and result serious personal injury. Your immediate action is to stop the work and explain him hazards and the importance of safety, like precautions to avoid incidents. This is the common knowledge. And second one is industrial knowledge. What is industrial knowledge and why is important? It is totally depends industry and their works. Knowledge about industry and familiar with procedures. This is totally different from common knowledge like any persons walking on road is common. But same persons walking inside the factory have to follow plant rules and regulations if possibility of incidents. A person handling a chemical without safety protections, working with chemicals without safety protections is very dangerous, may cause health effect. And just think what can happen possibilities, like chances of chemical expose, right? If he exposed to chemicals, then consequences are dermatitis and skin burns and respiratory problems and some chemicals reactions release radiations may lead to fire incidents results property damage or personal injuries. If you find out these situations at work spot, have to think with industrial knowledge that is very dangerous to handle chemicals without safety protections. If your immediate action is to stop him and explain him to his proper hand gloves and nose mask and follow safety instructions and handle chemicals to avoid chemical incidents. And last one is expect knowledge. What is expect knowledge and why is important? It is totally depend on work experience and their works. Like a person working in a chemical company without policy. Here, policy means rules and regulations. If any organization runs with strong safety policy, there is possibility of accidents are very low. Then it is very easy to organize workplace safety very efficiency. This is called expect knowledge. Like now, here is the situation: a person working without policy. Just think what can happen possibility. If there is any casualty or fire incidents happened because of chemicals, in the investigations procedure to existing routes causes persons working without policy, it is crime, which results we got notice from enforcement authorities. So we definitely know about expert knowledge like Factories Act, health and safety policy and legal requirements. As health and safety officer or advisor, we would use our knowledge and skills to reduce injuries, accidents and health problems in the workplace. Thank you so much.